Hi, I'd like to talk to you about two basic strokes we're going to learn as we move through this series. This is important because of the terminology we use. The first basic stroke we're going to learn is a chip stroke. Now, by definition, a chip stroke is a pivot, a rotation of my body, with not much wrist cock. Now, I don't want you to confuse strokes and shots. Although it is true that we execute a chip shot with a chip stroke, in subsequent videos, when you hear the term chip stroke, it refers to a stroke, not necessarily a shot. The second we're going to learn is a pitch stroke. Now, a pitch stroke, like the chip, is a pivot-driven stroke. We're just going to add a cocked left wrist, which creates club head speed as the wrist cocks and uncocks. A pitch stroke is, in fact, used to execute a pitch shot, but let's understand the difference. If I execute a pitch shot, sure, I have a little bit of left wrist cock, my pivot moves the club shaft, but my pitch stroke is also the same as my full swing with a driver. I just have a greater range of motion. So when you hear the term pitch stroke, it refers to a pivot action to swing the shaft, combining a cocking and uncocking left wrist, which provides club head speed. A chip stroke is merely a pivot with very little wrist cock because we don't need speed for the shot at hand.